And today I'll be showing you how to do the forehand grip and the backhand grip. I'll be also showing you how to do the high and deep serve and the low and short serve. Okay, so now I'll be showing you how to do the forehand grip. So for the forehand grip, you have to first put your hand like this, adjust the racket like this, and put your hand here. And I will show the picture right here on how it looks like. It has to have a V side in the middle part. Now I'm gonna be showing you how to do the backhand grip. For the backhand grip, you first adjust your racket like this, and now you're gonna go and place your thumb in here, and this is what it looks like. So now it should look like this, and it is like this, and when you serve, it's like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna be showing you how to do the high and deep serve. So you first put your feet at the back side, put your right feet in the back side, and now I'm gonna be showing you how to do the forehand high and deep serve. So you put your hand like this, and then do your forehand grip here, and then you now do it like this. You do it like this, and make sure it has to be below your waist. This. Okay, so now I'm gonna be showing you how to do the backhand high and deep serve. So you now put your backhand grip now, and then you do this. Okay, so now I'm gonna be showing you the low and short forehand serve. So you first put your right foot at the back, then you now put your forehand grip, and then okay, next I'm gonna be showing you how to do the backhand serve of low and short serve. So now you put your right foot again, and now hold your backhand grip and make sure it's below your waist when you hit it. This is the forehand grip of high and deep. Now this is the backhand grip of high and deep. This is now the low and short of backhand grip. This is the last one, the low and short serve of forehand grip. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for more videos.